Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Emzini, the family legacy, from the 20th to the 24th of April 2026 on Monday. After a DNA test or the DNA revelation and Duduzile's eviction, Shaka wants to fix the family. Rorisang revealed that Nhloko Moleng resent Duduzile for claiming the land that Emzini is built on Tuesday. Zakhele publicly crowns Bandile as and accuses Duduzile of being involved in stealing Mulantwa money to fund Emzini, but she focuses on freezing Panyaza and keeping his parole clean on Wednesday. Duduzile and Shaka are cornered as Zakhele escalates his buyout into a war threat. Under pressure, Duduzile agrees to sell her Emzini shares, but on her terms on Thursday. Zakhele cements Bandile as the new boss of Emzini, reassuring him he is 10 steps ahead. Bandile immediately tightens rules and manipulates Junior against Duduzile and Shaka, widening the family rift on Friday. Zakhele's buyout contract contains a harsh 20 years restraint of trade clause threatening Shaka and Duduzile. Shaka catches it, refuses to sign, and escalates the conflict, turning a clean takeover into open war. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.